Hello, dear learners. How about you? Dear learners, this is Madhusudan Karmakar from online class Warok Ramania High School, Sharasti Chatpur. Dear learners, at first I would like to say during COVID-19, I think you are staying at home and studying attentively for the preparation of next JC exam. Dear learners, I also would like to advise you to keep yourself and your family from being COVID-19 affected. Wash your hands frequently, wear masks, and to request your family members to take vaccine, COVID-19 vaccine. Dear learners, I am going to discuss from your English for Today book, English for Today for class 8. Please open your book, page number at 50. Page number at 50. The name of our unit 5, making a difference. Unit 5, lesson 4. The name of our lesson is A Man Who Loves Trees. A Man Who Loves Trees. Dear learners, I am going to read out the text and you should match me. You should match me. At the farthest corner of Bangladesh, there is a village called Tarapur. In this village, there lives a man named Kartik Pramani. He is a hairdresser by profession, but a nature lover at heart. His passion is to plant saplings, which grow into gigantic trees. He started planting trees when he was only 10 years old. He remembers what his father once told him. My son, you can earn the blessing of God by planting trees. He has never forgotten what his father told him. At present, he is 63 years old. He has planted hundreds of trees in his village. Many of the trees are now 35 to 40 years old. Once there were hardly any trees in this village. Kartik used to go to different houses for his job. At times, he would get tired in the scorching sun, but there were no trees under which he could sit and rest for a while. Thinking how people suffer in the heat, Kartik began his tree plantation mission. Occasionally, Kartik would wake up early in the morning, take one or two laborers with him, and set out to plant trees. He would walk long distances to plant trees, carrying with him some dry wood and water. He would pay all his expenses from his own pocket. Kartik has planted trees beside the roads in and around the bazaar, schools and colleges, open fields and many other places. At times, it so happened that Kartik would go to water his plants at 10 or 11 p.m. People asked him, Kartik, are you mad? What are you doing so late at night? Kartik would smile and say, what to do, sir? I have to work hard the whole day to earn money for my family. I don't get time during the day. But my trees would die if I don't water them, so I come late at night to look after them. Even today, this old man continues planting trees as many as he can. A man who can hardly sign his name is leaving his signature all around in nature. Dear learners, I have completed the text. Now I am going to practice. Now I am going to discuss some MCQ questions. MCQ question from page number 51. Please listen to me. Karthik was a hairdresser by profession. Karthik was a hairdresser by profession. His mission is to make the village green by planting many trees. Next, some of Karthik's trees are big and gigantic. Some of his trees are 35 to 40 years. 35 to 40 years. Dear learners, now I am going to practice some open-ended question. Open-ended question. Open-ended question. Who is Karthik Pramani? Question number 1. Who is Karthik Pramani? Answer. Karthik Pramani is a hairdresser. Karthik Pramani is a hairdresser, but he is a nature lover. But he is a nature lover by heart. Question 2. How do you understand that he is a nature lover? How do you understand that he is a nature lover? Answer. We understand that Karthik is a nature lover. Karthik is a nature lover. Seeing that he planted many trees. He planted many trees by roadside, in or around the school and college. School and college. Dear learners, please write down the sentence. Our next Next question. Why did he plant trees? Why did he plant trees? Answer. He planted trees. He planted trees. He planted trees to. He planted trees to keep the people safe, from the scorching heat, of the sun. Next question. What do you understand by saying? Dear learners, these are the today's question. I think you also like to understand the question and answer and lesson. I also would like to advise you to wash your hand frequently, wear masks, and be safe and sound. Okay, thank you.